Hey guys, Ed here. Today I have this 2018 Subaru Legacy, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to change your headlight bulbs. So this is super simple procedure. Everyone can do this. This is the simplest car ever. So let's do this. Find the ledge, move it to the left, raise the hood up, it should stay. Now, I'm gonna show you on this side. Okay, so here we have bulbs. So how do we take it out? What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the connector. Okay, just pressing the middle piece, pulling this down, spinning the bulb, and that's how you get it out. As you can see, it's super duper simple. It's H11. So when you're gonna go to parts store, just ask for H11. When you get the replacement bulb, put it back in and spin it like this. Then connect connector and you're all set. As you can see, it's super duper simple. Same thing goes here and same thing goes on this side right here. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.